Hi everyone. Welcome back to another edition of an ECKnox video, making recipes that I always like to approach thinking this is how you make your baby a foodie. Today, I want to share with you my very favorite salad recipe. It's a kale salad just with Parmesan, olive oil, hazelnuts, and sometimes onion. And it is the salad that made my kids into salad eaters. Mainly because they wanted to steal my hazelnuts when they were like 18 months old eating nuts already. And I was like, you're not gonna take my hazelnuts unless you have some salad in between. And then they become salad eaters. So let's do it. It's super easy, super fast. Just a few ingredients here. You've got kale. I normally use lacinato kale, sometimes known as dinosaur kale, but you can use what's known as regular kale as well. Olive oil, Parmesan cheese. Go ahead and get it pre-grated if you want, or use a grater yourself, which I sometimes do just for some freshness. Hazelnuts that I will pulverize into little bits and toast over the oven. And then onion, if you would like. Normally I use a red onion, but I didn't have red onion to make this video. And I'm not gonna put it in the salad anyway, because I admit my kids don't like the onions. So, first and foremost, I'm gonna get the hazelnuts toasting. I'm actually just gonna put them back in the packaging that I got them with and take some kind of pounding kind of thing. For instance, this meat tenderizer, it was my mom's in the 70s, and go at it. There we go. Dump those in a dry frying pan. You don't even need any oil on it. And let them toast on medium heat for basically the time that you make the rest of the salad. Just let them go. You'll be able to smell when they're ready, and they'll be a little toasty. Now, the kale. I think one of the most interesting things about kale is stripping it from its stalk. I've done this before on previous videos. It's super easy. Pull just a little bit of the leaf here from the stalk, hold on tight, and strip it off, just like that. For this salad, I normally use a half a bunch. Of course, I'm gonna wash the kale. Squeeze it dry. Coming back over to the hazelnuts, I'm gonna shake them up a little bit. There's a little bit of smoke coming off there, but they're getting nice and toasty. I'll turn the heat down just a little bit. Then I'm gonna take some kitchen scissors, I guess fancy people might call them shears. And then I just take the kale in a big bunch and I cut it up into the salad bowl. Give it a couple glugs of olive oil. I'm not even sure how much that was, but it's enough to coat the kale. Then, the Parmesan. This is to your taste. But with half a bunch of kale, I would probably put in about a 1/4 cup of Parmesan. Then, if you like, the onion, which you just chop as small as possible. I would use about a 1/4 of a red onion, maybe a little less of a white onion. And then finally, top off with your toasted hazelnuts. And that is it. So there you have it. This was the salad that I'm telling you my kids, come over here, bud, became salad eaters with this salad. Again, they just wanted the hazelnuts, but they had to earn their keep and eat a little salad in between. Oh, here's the other one. Thanks for watching. Thank you for being an ECKnox watcher. And it's great to have you with us. Thanks a lot.